Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we saw about dictionary data structure and how to declare a dictionary, how to initialize it, and various functions and more. In this video, we will see about string functions. So, as always, the quote of this video was said by Joseph. He is he was the creator of SLIP programming language. SLIP means symmetric list processing. Okay, what he was saying is the computer programmer is the creator of universes for which he alone is responsible. Universes of virtually unlimited complexity can be created in the form of computer programs. So, you developers or programmers can create anything with the help of computer programs. So, let's see how we can able to manipulate the string for our own needs. Let's see some of the functions. Here I am classified the functions with some categories, right? You can able to see me zoom in. So these are some of the functions present for string data type in Python. Around 40 plus functions are there, and we only use few because not every function is applicable for every problem or situation. Let's see the functions one by one. The first function is capitalize. As the name indicates, it will capitalize something, right? So the purpose of this function is to convert the first character to capital letter. For example, I am giving the input as hello with a lowercase. The function will convert this to hello with capitalizing the first letter of the word. So this is the function purpose. The next one is title. The purpose of this function is so similar to the previous one, where the input will be a sentence. Hello, how are you? Okay. So this sentence will be converted to hello, how are you? So you can see the difference, right? The previous one, it will convert the first letter. This title function will convert the first letter of each word, right? This is another purpose of the function title. The next one is case fold function. This will convert the capitalized string into lowercase. So the next one is swap case. This is also similar to the previous one, where the capital letter words will be converted into lowercase words. And swapping. So the hello will be converted to, let me do one thing. Let me create this. The input hello will be converted to hello, and the hello will be converted to lowercase hello. So this is a swapping. It will swap the case, lowercase to uppercase, uppercase to lowercase. The next one is so familiar, lower and upper, which is converting the string to a lowercase or uppercase. So these are some of the functions where we convert the strings into lower or upper. The next one is encode, where the encoding will be helpful means for web. If you are posting something or getting an image from the web, means the result will be on binary. So binary data, like that will be random, like symbols, alphabets, numbers, right? These will be called as data URIs, where these strings need to be converted to the normal string, or the vice versa. You can able to, in this case, the encode function will convert the normal string into a encoded string. Okay, this is the purpose of this encode function. The next one is expand tabs. Usually tabs is a 5-space key, right, where the we can change the tab size with the help of this function. We can have any word hello space, where I'm giving tab means this is a software issue. Let's see, I'm giving 2 tab means it will come just like this. I will show the demonstration in the next video, right? So this will be a theory session. So the next one is count. Count function will count the number of occurrence of specific value in the string. For example, let me give an example right here. So race car. So the letter A is the specified value. So this function will count the occurrence of the letter A in this string race car. Okay, this is one function, count. The next one is make trans and translate. These both are similar to each other, right? Though the function may look little bit different. Simple one will be, I'll give an example. Let me type something. Let me go with hello world, famous one. So I have to translate, which means it will convert something toward another thing. So for example, I'm giving convert the W with yes, then the result will be hello SORLD. This will be the conversion or translate. Both will do the same thing only. So this is one set of functions. The next one is partition function. This will convert the string into various parts. So the name partition came. For example, he is a smart man. Okay. So I'm searching some word, right? So I'm searching the word smart. So it will convert the string into 3 parts. The previous one will be the one partition, the smart will be the one partition, the remaining will be the another partition. So this will be the partition function. The next one is right partition. This is also similar to that. The right partition will search the word from the right. So that let me have a something like a smart man, smart, something like 2 words, right? So this word will be the considered as the partition one. So the right part will be the one partition, the middle part smart will be the one partition, the remaining words will be the other partition. This is right partition function. So let's see the other functions. So next will be center function. This is all just a justification, text alignment in the console. In this case, we will give some value. Let me share right here. If I give hello, the value is 20 means it will create a 20 blank space and then it will paste the hello at the middle or center of the screen, center of the 20 spaces or 20 characters. That is the purpose of this center function. This is left justification and right justification, which is similar to a MS Word. The next one is formatting, where we can able to format the floating point variables or a string. In that case, we use this method format. The next one is start with and end with. So let me let me say something like start with method is find the starting position of the word. Let me go something like this. It will search for hello, and the search query or search key is H. If the word is starting with a H, it will return true. If the word is not starting with a H, then it will return false, just true false, which is similar to the ending position also. So the result is true. It will check the ending position or a ending word or a starting word. So this is one thing. String. The next one is left strip, right strip and strip. This is basically a trim function. It will remove the spaces from the left, right or both sides. The three things is called stripping functions. The next one is join function. It will join the two or more strings together. For example, let me give an example. So H, comma E, comma L, comma L, comma O. Okay, this will be joined with the help of string.join method. It will join like hello. So this is one method, join. The next function is split function, where the string will get splitted with the help of separators like comma or space or tab or white space or anything. Like we can able to give a letter also as a separator. Okay, that is called split function. It will split the string into various parts and provide us a list data type. The next one is split lines. Split lines is a function where it converts the string into the list data structure where the separator is new line or slash n. It will use slash n as a separator for the string and split the string into various parts. The next one is R split, which is also similar to the previous one, where the string is separated with the help of specified separators. Then the result will be on the data type of list. So these are some of the split and join functions. The next one is zfill or zero fill. Here we can able to let me give an example. For example, I'm giving the string as 50 and I'm giving the using the zfill function over the string and giving the result as 10. It will add 10 zeros before 50. So that is the function purpose here. So it will add 10 zeros before the string. This is zfill or zero fill function. The next one is normal thing. You can able to identify the function name is alphnum, which means whether the string is alphanumeric or not. The next one is whether the string is alphabet or not. Next one is whether the string is digit or not. The next one is identifier. It will return the value true or false by checking whether the given string is a identifier or not. Where the valid identifier the string contain only the alphanumeric letters like A to Z and 0 to 9 or underscore. The valid identifier cannot start with a number or contain any space. So those are the conditions it will check and return the result as true or false. The next one is lower, whether the given string is in lowercase or not. The next one is numeric, whether the given string is numeric or not. The next one is printable, where the result will be true or false, whether the given string able to print or not. So the next one is space, right? Let me give some example for let space. 1 second. It will, let me give an example for this, where the I'm having a variable called text where the I'm giving spaces and whether the given text is a space or not, white space or not. That's the function purpose here. The next one is title. As we seen before, the title function where it will convert the each starting letter of the words to capital. We are checking that now with the help of isTitle function. The next one is upper, whether the given string is in uppercase or not. So these are some functions where we check the given string is alphabet or number or digit or identifier, whether the given string in uppercase or lowercase. The next one is find, index, or find, or index, and replace. Where the find function is basically tells it will find something. So we will give some input like a string. It will find and return the position of the string. For example, I'm giving hello, how are you, the same string. So I'm searching for the letter A or O. Okay, in this case the letter O lies in 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, fourth position. The result would be 4 because the position of the letter is 4. So this is the find function. The index function, which is also similar, where it will provide the result as the index of the given string or a character. The next one is or find, which is similar, where it will provide the last occurrence of the given string or a word. The next one is or index, which is also similar to the previous one, where it will provide the last occurrence index of the last occurrence of the given string or a word or a character. The next one is replace, where we give some value to replace to other value, right? So in that case we use replace method. So there's a common find and replace method. So these are some of the functions present in the string in Python programming. In the next video we will see about loops or condition statements. I will upload the notebooks in the GitHub. Already I have uploaded various notebooks here. You can able to see dictionary, list, operators, set, tuple and variables, and some PPTs and PDFs also of the previous videos slides. If you want to access, you can access it. I will provide the link in the description. Thank you.